In this video we will see how to use the do-while repetitive structure. Similarly to the while loop, we need to add a counter, create a counter. And we say do, sorry about that, do and outside of the body we say while. And to give you an example how do while works and while works, the difference of while and do while, I will use them both in this video and say while I is not equal to 0, I will display a message. Display center text line, line 10, and I will display that message, and I will do the same thing in the while loop. While I is not equal to 0, on the 12th line, and at the end of our code I'll add a sleep for 3 seconds. Now let's go ahead and run this, and you will notice that we only have one line of code which was displayed by the do while. Now the difference of do while and while is that do while runs once the code, then checks the condition, and if the condition is correct it repeats again. The while loop first checks the condition, then runs the code. So do while, run the code, it checked if I is not equal to 0, which it is, and stopped. Then while checked again the same and didn't run the code at all. So that's the main difference of while and do while. And we will make a small demonstration on how to use it. Again, we have the I++ inside, we shouldn't forget that. Say I is smaller than 10. I will create another variable here, a new variable, integer number, to store a value. Let's initialize it to 0 and add 1 to it as a previous example. And after we will display the value of number. And we also need the sleep. So let's go ahead and compile this, download to robots and start. And we can see the value is 10. So that means that our do while loop repeated the addition for 10 times, then displayed the message. So this is a very brief example on how to use the do while loop.